What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? This is Min from Architecture Inspirations. Today I'm going to show you my workflow for setting up lighting for a night scene in Vray for Sketchup. Let's get started. Here I have a kitchen scene with the lighting already set up for a daytime render. I currently have 3 lights for the scene, the sunlight as the main light source, the dome light for the background, and the rectangle lights for the under cabinet lighting. Now I want to turn this into a night scene, so I will turn off all of these lights. You can see that even with the sunlight off, there are still lights in the scene. So go to the shadow settings and adjust the time of day until it's completely dark. Then make sure to save this as a new view. Now I will add a dome light and import an HDR image that I downloaded from hdrheaven.com. Then I will change the shape to sphere and turn on Use Transform. Next, I will click here so that we can move around the model while locking the camera view. Then I can rotate the dome light to move the background however I like. It looks good. However, I will reduce the intensity to 0.1 because I want the sky to look darker, like the sun has almost gone down completely. Remember to rename your lights so you can keep the scene organized. For the main light source, I will use the spotlight and add it inside of the recessed lights here. As you can see, since these are instances of the same component, when you add the spotlight to one instance, it will be added to all of the other instances as well. Now we can edit these lights at the same time. I will adjust the cone angle to 30 and the penumbra angle to 85. This really depends on the light and the scene, but in this case, that's what works for me. For the fall off, I will change it to smooth cubic, which is more realistic. And for the decay, I'll usually switch it to inverse. Even though this is not real world values, I like it a lot more in this case. Now I can readjust the intensity to make it look better. That looks good. I will also copy the spotlight and paste it inside of these lights under the range hood here. This will save me some time for making the lights again. However, I can also make this light unique. This will create a copy of the lights in the list. And now I can rename these lights accordingly and make changes to the settings of these lights separately. There we go. Just make more adjustment as you need or add emissive materials like this to make your scene look even better. And that's how I set up lighting for a night scene in Vray for Sketchup. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want more of these types of videos. Stay inspired, guys, and I'll see you next time.